All right, guys. So I just wanted to give y'all a quick update on the Subway Master, Subway King. I don't know what he calls himself. No, I'm not doing the challenge. He says I talk a lot of smack, but can't back it up. I didn't bring up making the sub sandwich, but I'm gonna let y'all watch a quick clip of his update video, and then finally found something Andre's good at other than scamming people. But first, let's watch the Subway guy.
So I wanted to give you a quick update because we're about 1 day away from the amazing finale to this challenge. So far, Davey Baby of Everything Credit and Dave have not agreed to this challenge. Why? Because as usual, they talk a lot of smack but can't back it up. I do have good news though. The Seeker has agreed and he's getting prepared. I'm getting prepared. The showdown's about to go down, folks. It's getting very nerve-wracking. It's getting very intense, folks. And I want to thank each of you, my 33 subscribers. God bless you. God bless us all. It's about to go down.
So as you can see, he's all into this. He's all excited. He's amped up, which there's nothing wrong with that. Um, but yeah, I guess to answer your question, Andre, why am I fat? Because I'm happy. Because I'm eating good. That's why. But luckily, we found something you're good at other than scamming people in this. I forgot what you call it, aqua something. I don't know. He's obsessed with fish, so just watch this video.
Guys, look at this. This is very therapeutic, by the way. I wanted to share this. Wow. I made this myself. And I've been doing it for 6 months. But I've been doing credit repair longer. So if I can do something that's beautiful like this in 6 months, but I've been doing credit repair for 10 years, imagine what I can do. But yeah, I love aquascapes. I don't watch TV. I watch Mother Nature. This is the best TV. Oh my God, this is like so gorgeous right here.
And lastly, if anybody watching this video has been scammed by Andre at Pinnacle Credit Repair, Pinnacle Credit Management, whatever he goes by, reach out to me. I will work on your credit absolutely free, and I will contact the Federal Trade Commission myself to file the complaint for you. Hope y'all have a great day.